Hello, Arcadia Express. Mm, so, small update on the 2080 Ti. This is here. This is the 20 Ti that didn't work. Yeah, I've confirmed no output at all once the Windows was loaded. So yeah, everything was just crashed. So now there is some progress on this one, but I think it needs more work. So it's hooked up to my TV right now, and you can see there is something is going on. Lots of artifacting. Also, it still gets the error 43. I guess the 43 is because one of the memory banks is not good. That would be my guess. Well, I'll continue on it, I guess, and we will see what will transpire.